Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. Well, thank you for all of those who are leaving me likes, shares, sending me messages. Thank you. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you for following. And there's plenty of inspirational content on this page. It's just about life, um, growing your business and growing yourself as a person, actually. So today I wanted to talk about creating a culture for yourself or your business. So today is one of those days where I really felt like staying home and sleeping in. I don't know if it's the weather or something like that, but I really thought about it. Then I was like, no, I think it's better to show up. You know, one of the things I remember I did when we were starting Sunshine Financial Services, actually, yes, that is our company, me and my sisters, where we provide microloans for businesses and we do other things like agency banking, financial literacy, education, things of that nature. But when we were starting Sunshine, I remember thinking I wanted to create a culture of showing up, consistency, a culture of being reliable, providing good customer service, providing solutions to small business owners. All these things were in my mind. So on days when you don't feel like showing up, you have to do it anyway, especially if it's for the benefit of the long term. Many of you who listen to me are world changers, pace setters. You're creating something, either it's a business or just creating a better life for yourself. And consistency, whether you're doing those small, achieving those small goals, tackling those projects, there has to be a level of consistency. Then showing up, on days that you don't feel like, you still have to show up. How about getting patience when things are not happening fast enough? Well, you'll have to develop patience in order to withstand through the ups and downs. Then attitude. Yes, you're showing up, but how? Are you maintaining a good attitude, a winning attitude, an attitude that will get you to the next level? Or are you presenting an attitude that makes things worse? Because it's easy to come with a disempowering attitude. And since you guys are already leaders, many people are following your tone. If you come with a disempowered attitude, guess what? Everybody is going to come disempowered. If you come with a winning attitude, even after maybe a disappointment or a slow day or you're working through something, everybody around you will look at you and mimic the attitude you're bringing to the table. So be aware, your leaders and people are watching you. They may not say anything, but they follow after your footsteps until they find their own, whether it's their own maturity or their own strength. But otherwise, when things are not going so right, or even when things are going right, people are still following you because you're leaders in your industry, leaders in whatever project you're taking on. You're a leader of your own life. So when I talk about creating a culture, it can be a personal culture. How do you want to be remembered? What do you stand for? So you take steps towards that, and people will remember you for that and will know what you stand for. Whereby that saying that goes, people treat you the way you treat yourself. Yes, we shall treat you based on your values and based on what you stand for. And on days when you're not there, we shall remember that that is what so and so does, and that's what they stand for, whether it's an individual or a company per se. So, as always, this is Mother Ego. I hope this helps today. And send me your questions about life, love, small businesses, loans, micro loans, and all that good stuff. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.